Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and I'm going to be unboxing a blazer I got from Dolce & Gabbana. Here's the shipping container, and I just wanted to show you that this came straight from Milan, Italy. You can see it there. If you look where it has the sender information. I think the other one is just like an invoice, but I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, so there's an envelope in here, and actually they're Dolce & Gabbana, it's black. I got another one of these. I bought briefs and they came with an envelope like this. I just didn't unbox them for my channel, but I might review them. Okay, so inside here it looks like it's just like a thank you note in a bunch of different languages. So that's pretty cool. There's English in the top left. Okay, they gave me a return label. Okay. And 2 invoices. So here's just the item description of that. And the country of origin. So I got this on sale for, I think it was $1,700. They had like a 40% off sale on their website. Okay, here's a box. It's Dolce & Gabbana, and it's like cloth that they sewed on here. Oh wow, that was some more. Okay, so here's the hanger they gave me. It says Dolce & Gabbana on it. I'm not going to keep this. It is pretty nice though. I mean, even though it's plastic, it's rubber right here, or some kind of like, it's got this weird texture, almost like velvet. And this is like sticky. Here's the blazer. Wow, it just feels, it's very light. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's very light, and it feels very it feels like when you have dress pants and it's like 100% wool. So it's supposed to be navy. It's looking much better in person than how it's showing up on camera. It's kind of showing up faded on camera, but here it is. There's the label. Dolce & Gabbana, made in Italy. Here's the liner. It's got like this floral print. Dolce & Gabbana. Yeah, this is a real pocket. Here's another pocket on the inside. Another label. I You can feel something in there. I think it's probably extra buttons. Oh no, it's actually, it's the like the tags. Yeah, here's, yeah, and I think these are just extra buttons. Okay. Look under the collar or lapel or whatever. There's more floral print. And the front, can't put anything in the chest pocket. There's 2 pockets on the side and they're sewed shut. These, oh, I didn't see that. They're floral under the flap. Okay, so it's got the peak lapel, which I really love. So I'm just trying it on really quick. Oh, it's very nice. I have a size 34 in another blazer, so that's why I thought this would be too big, but this is actually really good size. Okay, you guys, so that was my unboxing of Dolce & Gabbana blazer. I'll do like a review of it in a comparison to my Top Man blazer that I have. And I'll upload that for you guys. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.